Hi guys, today I want to talk about kind of a low-level design. In the last video, I talked about the high-level design of what all kind of systems I'll be covering. I'll Today I'll talk about what low-level design of what all things I have already completed. Each of the things I'll make videos every week, twice videos of each of the things. How can you make it for yourselves? So there are dashboards, there are Notion dashboards, as you can see, a lot of Notion dashboards where my systems are, and some of the webs are attached to a backend services I have created, some codes I have created, but which can also be written in a no-code one, which is what I'll be doing in the next few videos. Let me start off with what all the dashboards I use. So there is a calendar scheduler dashboard. In the scheduler dashboard, all the things, if you see, face scrub, morning skin routine, all those kind of things, whatever I do, 5,000 steps daily, badminton daily, omega-3 fatty acids, 3 liters drinking, all those kind of things, I put it in. There is a repeat type property. I have put these names with repeat types as daily. How many times daily it needs to repeat number means if I put daily and 1, so every day it would come. If I daily and 2, it will come today and then one day after. Then there is a start date, there is what time it should be coming to my calendar, which time zone it is, and location. Location would be which location I am currently in. That in that location only this should come. It's like filling the bottles. Only when I am in my own home, then I need to fill the bottles. In others' home, I won't have the bottles, right? So I can't fill bottles there. So only when I'm home, not in parents' short vacation or long vacation. This is my. So similarly, there are weekly habits like oil, haircut. There are daily tasks like every financial transaction update, all those kind of things. Then weekly, whatever there, it's like cloth washing, all those kind of things. Then there are monthly financials are mostly monthly, like cook, maid, rent, all those kind of things, right? Apart from that, and whatever, one more thing which I am all about, you see a lot of habit productivity. Like if you are into my channel, you are slightly into productivity and slightly into making systems at least. So, and you have seen other videos where they tell put this habit and you postpone because currently you don't have them. So I keep all those habits which I like. Running is one of the things I want to do later. Yoga is something I want to do daily. Uh, Flossing, writing negative thoughts, reading 20 pages a day, write and share. It's like daily motivation. You imagine today, what would be the perfect tomorrow every day. All those kind of things. These all I need to include, but first I need to be good with the other habits. Right. Next comes calendar. So whatever scheduler it is, so whatever was today's cloth hanging and cloth washing, I have already completed cloth washing. So it goes into a transaction. I have already all these things I have already completed. It like there are from 8 months I have been strictly following this. Apart from that, whatever habit I still need to do for today, I already did this, did this, did this. So it all goes to my transaction. Same for financial. I still have to pay for Hathaway and Udemy. That's it for calendar and scheduler. Apart from that, there is Eisenhower matrix where this is a normal one where you do first one schedule, you add any task and is it urgent, is it important, is it done. So based on that, it will show here urgent and important, not urgent and important, all those. So that's the basic Eisenhower matrix. For calendar and scheduler, Eisenhower matrix works without a code. Calendar and scheduler requires a backend code because from scheduler, whatever I have put in here, like daily, this repeat type, these all need to come to calendar. Notion can't handle it, so I have created a backend service for it. Apart from that, this is not. There are actions. What it does is, like I said, I need to know what all in the scheduler I have put it. Like this should only be with parents. This should only be with when I am alone. This should only be or multiple times. So how whenever I go to my parents or something, I go to actions and put a start. So that now from now on, only those which are tagged with parents, those scheduler would be those tasks and habits and obligations would go from scheduler to calendar. Right. Okay. Next, time box. It's not useful. Projects I still need to do a lot about. Then there is a books one. What it does is every book I ever read or I want to read, I keep all those books here. As soon as I put the name in any of it, I have a Google Books API code running in the background, which automatically sees this and updates all the information. Like if I have put, like I put Magic of Thinking Big, automatically it will know what type it is, who the author is, what kind of genre it is from, what's the published date. All these is coming from Google Books. Next, yeah, this is one of the major ones. This also requires, so there is a quick capture. So whatever in LinkedIn if I read and I find useful, in anything I see, YouTube video I see, I find useful, all those kind of things, or a blog I have read which I find useful, I save it here. There are two other ways that things come here. If I save it to a YouTube video to my playlist, then also those videos would be coming here. Apart from that, even if I whatever voice notes or whatever in my app, whatever voice notes I put in, all those things come to my quick capture. Yeah. Apart from that, all those quick captures, what will happen is they'll go to I will transfer them to areas or journals. If there are like quick captures, reflections on desired partner personality type, that's a journal thing. That's not really a skill kind of thing. So productivity and learning for all those kind of a journal, which will go to I'll just move them to journal, and apart from that, all the other things I'll put it in areas where I'll be. I have skill trees and all. For software, I have skill trees like competitive, backend stack, front end stack, software architecture. So in this others, all those would be going. Those are from other people, and this is self one which I create myself. Like whenever I'm creating a software creation steps, so what are the steps? All these from reading from here, I keep on transferring, and as soon as I've read up, I transfer it from my others column to an archive column. So I have for lot of skill trees, and everything is transferred there. Uh, Videos, all the videos whatever videos I like in YouTube automatically come here. There's a backend code which I have written which does that. In my channel I'll put a kind of a pipe dream or any no code solution so that people can replicate it. I have a all the YouTube channels I like. I have to whatever channel I like, I want automatically those videos to come here. If any new videos of them coming, I'm still working on it. Interesting is anything I find interesting but don't have, like I've seen a video or somebody mentioned something, I write those things. And what type do I want to watch, research, learn these things or something, I just write those so that I can look into it later when I have the time. Similar to it, I have, yeah. Apart from that, these are all not completely made. Journal, I already say, just journal of whatever good deeds, requests, quotes, jokes, dreams, ideas, whatever I keep on. Even with voice notes, I keep on doing that. Apart from that, apart from that, there is a financial transaction thing with living, growth, all those kind of things. Whatever I do, I always write it here. My monthly budget is here. Whatever my monthly budget, I already know these all things I need to play. All the things are here. The budget plan, how much for living, how much for that, all those things are here. My financial goals and all that are here. So these are all the things I put in. There are other things which I've learned from 1% Club. I am still implementing that into this and creating an app out of it. Apart from that, currently I've also started using this part-time OS core system where there is an invite. I've created some of my own from this content engine. I've created my own template. Currently I'm in the level 1. So level 0 was just directly making a YouTube video which I already done. Level 2 is all these checklists need to be filled, which is title needs to be finalized, thumbnail finalized, hook finalized, recording checklist is just this, editing checklist, title has been background music and screen, all those kind of things added. I think that's it for my all the systems I'm currently using. Next video would be about the code side, whatever I have already completed, a system kind of thing already completed. Individual things I'll be doing it maybe later that week. If you like this video, please check out my latest video, and also please like and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching.